Yes, it is. You say hi, Brody. Yes, yes. You say hi. Yes. Who's in here? A duck and a bee. Oh, a bee. What does a bee do? Bzz. Bzz. What's the next one? A giraffe and a cow. What's a cow do? Yeah, moo. They move. And a pig and a lion. Can you growl like a lion? Can you growl like a lion? What about pig? Can you snort? Can you snort? Can you snort? No? What about, can we talk to Brody? Can we talk to him? Oh, is that pretty baby? Is that a pretty baby? Well, what's he saying? Dad tried so hard to talk. Yeah. Oh, is he a happy baby? Yeah. Tell him hi. Tell him hi. I know you're trying.
He's gonna get mad.
No, tell him hi. Tell him hi. Yeah. Tell him you're a pretty baby. No, you're pretty. Not that face. What about a bumblebee? Is that a bee? What's a bee do? You can go back. Yeah. What's a bee?
He says these hiccups are gonna make me mad.
Oh, a giraffe. Oh, is that giraffe? What about this? Is that a cow? Can you move? I try. A pig? Got a pig? What about that? What's that? Is that a lion? Can you growl? Then let's see Brody. Let me see Brody. Oh.